In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 126 step by step, using a simple method that works for most games. This error usually shows up when required files are missing or not loading correctly, especially Visual C++ components. Don't worry, we'll walk through everything you need to do to get your game running again. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, we need to completely close Steam. Don't just click the X button, because Steam often keeps running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once you're there, look for anything related to Steam, like steam.exe or Steam Client Web Helper. Right-click each one and click End Task. This ensures we're starting fresh. Next, reopen Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, right-click on it, and select Properties. From there, go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game and automatically fix or replace any missing or corrupted files. This step is super important, so don't skip it. After that's done, we're going to manually run the game once as an administrator. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam folder, then go to Steam Apps, then Common, and open your Games folder. Inside, find the main.exe file for the game, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This helps Windows properly register any required files. Now here's one of the most common fixes for error 126. Inside the same game folder, look for a folder called _commonredist. Open it, and you should see folders for things like DirectX or Microsoft Visual C++. Open the Visual C++ folder and run the installers inside. If they're already installed, choose the repair option. This step fixes missing runtime libraries that often cause this error. Once you've done that, go ahead and restart your PC. This makes sure all changes are properly applied and clears out anything stuck in memory. After your system restarts, open Steam again and launch your game normally. In most cases, the error should now be completely gone and your game should run without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error 126. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.